Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my previous videos, we have been following this very big bullish cipher pattern and the price line reverse bullish from the buying zone of this cipher. And we also saw that the price line broke out a very big channel and also a big triangle as well. But still it is having some accumulation above the resistance, and in today's video we will try to analyze whether the price line will continue its move to the upside or it will be moved down again to re-enter the triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this complete report that will show you how many trades I've shared in the previous month, and how many trades were successful and how many trades were unsuccessful. And if you would like to verify any trade, you can just click on the link, and after clicking on the link you can watch the screenshots I've shared, how the price line entered the buying zone and how it reversed bullish and hit the sell targets. Or you can just click at this link. It will take you to the trading view, and you can just click on the play button and it will show you how the price line reversed bullish from the potential reversal zone and hit the sell targets. Now let's start the analysis. First of all, let me recall this very big cipher pattern that I have been sharing with you in my previous videos, and this was the pattern that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January, when the price line entered a very big potential reversal zone, or the buying zone of a very big harmonic cipher pattern. And I told my members that this can be a very big buying, a very powerful buying zone from $36,100 to $28,800, and from here we can expect a reversal move. We also had a very big hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame, because the price line was forming higher lows, and if you take a look at this RSI oscillator, it was forming lower than previous lows. And we also had a very nice support of the 100 weekly simple moving average as well. Our sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this cipher, was from $46,339 and goes to $57,167. Now I have played this chart, and you can see that the price line has rallied well and it has entered the sell zone. But I'm expecting that this move can be continued. We can expect a bigger move, because at the same time price line has also broken out a very big down channel, and the target for this down channel can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $68,000. And we have also broken out a very big resistance of the triangle, and the target for this triangle can be here, approximately at $60,000. This can be the target for the triangle. Right now, after breakout, we are having some accumulation, and this resistance of the triangle is also a very long-term resistance, and sometimes it has been working as a support. That is $45,000 price level support and resistance. Previously, we can see here it has been breaking as a nice support. Here it has been breaking as a support here as well, and here it was breaking at a very strong resistance here, and here as well. And here price line has broken out this resistance on 27th of March, and after this breakout still moving above this resistance. Now if we take a look at the Ichimoku cloud here, then we can see on the daily time frame we are above the cloud resistance, and the cloud has turned bullish. It is giving us a bullish projection for the future. But if we take a look at the weekly time frame, then we are stuck inside the cloud, and you can see recently we are rejected by this resistance of the cloud. Once it will be able to break out this cloud on the weekly time frame, we can expect a very big move. Like previously, when price line broke out this cloud here back in June 2020, we had a very big rally. Same as like that, right now the price line is very close to break out this very big cloud. We are having very nice support of the $45,000 support, and we are also moving above the resistance of the very big triangle as well. We have broken out the triangle. We have also broken out the channel. So this is a very critical movement for the price line, and it can be a very big move if the price line break out this resistance of the Ichimoku cloud. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.